Hi guys, chap dropped off it says a Volvo Penta on there, but it's actually a 10 horsepower Honda. It's just got a different jacket on it, I think. Yeah, it's definitely Honda. It's got a Honda serial number stamp on there. Anyway, it's coming and it's got poor running issues and a few other woes that the customers told me about. The first thing is the old grey fuel line. I absolutely hate these things. I think they ought to be banned. It's absolutely rock hard. The primer bulb, you can't even squeeze it. It's so stiff. It looks quite old. Anyway, I've got to prime it up eventually, and in there you've got your fuel pump, and then it runs around, and then you've got your fuel delivery to your carburetor. Someone's put an aftermarket fuel filtering line, but what I've first noticed is when you're priming it up, the fuel's absolutely peeing out everywhere, but it's not even connected properly. Look at that. And it complains that it keeps stalling out and it's difficult to start. I've not started it yet, but just a preliminary check, and that doesn't look too favourable, really. Even if it is plugged on properly, it's not making an airtight seal, so you end up with fuel leaking out, and the delivery to the carburetor isn't going to be very good, because you're going to have fuel running out before it gets to the carburetor, and end up with like an oil slick in the water, like rainbow from the fuel. Yeah, so I think I need to address that first before I go any further. I'll report back when I get it running. Cheers. Okay, so we've got it running. Put a fuel filter that doesn't leak on there. So I've got it running. It started up. It's a bit awkward to start, but there we go. It's been stood for a while. It should be running alright. Got through to the water. There's a bolt missing there, the thermostat housing. Looks like it wants a good service. Not too bad actually. Okay, I'll let you know what happens when I get a bit further into it. Cheers guys. Hi guys, Braka, can you remember that, well, it's a Honda, it's a B100 B100 10 horsepower, early to mid 80s. She's an oldie, but she's a goldie, you know. So it's had a service, it's had new starter rope, new impeller, new oil, plugs, all fuel system cleaned out, new fuel hose, connectors, clamps, you name it, it's been done, this whole deal. I mean that's the old pub, you can't even squeeze that, it's rock hard, so I'm trying to squeeze up goddamn walnut. Anyway, they've got rid of the old grey fuel hose, which all of you know that I love with a passion, of hate. But anyway, back to the engine in question. She's running good. I've had it running for a good hour now. It runs really well. Just on tick over and picks up really well. There she goes. Back down to a nice steady tick over. I'm happy with that. It's a nice engine. Glad to see that one go back into the engine population to make the numbers up. Anyway, that's me for now. Cheers guys, and I'll let customer know that his engine is ready, and he can take it on the river, weather permitting, this weekend, to get a bit of use out of it while there's no snow. Alright guys, thank you, bye.